a, an, the, or nothing. When do we use these articles? I'm Arnell from Arnell's Everyday English, and today we're looking at these. First, we use a with a consonant sound. And we use an with a vowel sound. Vowel, consonant. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And consonants are all the other letters. I need to tell you, normally in spoken English, we pronounce a. So listen out for that. I have an apple, vowel sound a, an. I have an orange, I have an umbrella, I have an orangutan. I have a dog, a d consonant sound. I have a shoe, I have a cup of coffee. A plus consonant sound, and plus vowel sound. But let's look at a few exceptions. I go to a university. He is a unique person. I need an X-ray. So why do I have a with U? U is a vowel. It's because of the sound. University is pronounced y. We have the Y consonant sound. Again, he is a unique person. So of course we have U, the vowel, but we need a consonant sound. And X-ray? X is a consonant. X-ray. Let's look at a and an. First, we use a or an with a singular countable noun when we speak about something in general. I need a pen. Do you have a pen? Do I need a specific pen? I don't care. Any pen is fine. What did you do last night? I watched a movie. Which movie? It doesn't matter. I'm not being specific. A, an, in general. We also use these when we introduce something for the first time. Yesterday, I saw a seagull eating a hamburger in the middle of the street. So it's the first time I'm telling you a or an. When speaking about someone's job, I'm a teacher. You're an engineer. Next rule, when we want to say one with big numbers. I need 100 roses. I need 100 roses. I've eaten 1,000 mangoes in my life. 1,000, 1,000. How many times? I go to the gym twice a week. I have a coffee 3 times a day. Did you know hummingbirds can flap their wings 70 times a second? Okay, so we looked at the rules for a and an. Let's continue with the. Remember, early in the video, I said, I need a pen. Do you have a pen? I need a pen. Do you have a pen? See, I did say it. You already know we use a or an for something in general. The is specific. Yes, I bought the sofa. Here, both the speaker and the listener know exactly which sofa I'm speaking about. It's clear when we use the. We use the when we mention something for the second time. I saw a seagull eating a hamburger in the middle of the street. And can you believe it? The seagull finished the hamburger in about 2 minutes. Now I'm repeating my subjects. I use the. With superlatives. Coffee is the best drink in the world. You are the smartest person I know. I think cheetahs are the fastest animal in the world. With groups of society. The rich, the poor, the homeless, the youth. Robin Hood steals from the rich and gives to the poor. When there's only one of something. The sun, the moon, the government, the queen. With mountain ranges, oceans, seas, rivers. The Alps, the Pacific, the Mediterranean, the Thames. The Orkney Islands lie in the Atlantic. With plural countries. What do I mean by plural countries? We say the United Kingdom because there's many parts together. We say the United States, the Netherlands. We have that S, there's a plural there. The Philippines, the with plural countries. With instruments, I can play the piano. My brother can play the guitar very well. With morning, afternoon, and evening. See you in the morning. I usually work in the afternoons. The evenings are our busiest time. But we say at night, not at the night. We've already looked at so many different rules. I hope you're feeling okay. Now, I need to tell you, there's always exceptions. You know this. If you remember, rule number 5, there's only one of something. We use the. But there are always exceptions. So we say Buckingham Palace, but we say the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. So you have the grammatical rules, and just be prepared to become familiar with different exceptions. No an, no no the. We're speaking about zero article. We also need to know this. So, a quick review. I want a dog. A with countable noun, general. It doesn't matter. I want a dog. I want the dog from that movie Benji. The specific dog. I love dogs. When we use a plural countable noun or an uncountable noun, we don't use an article when we speak about it in general. I love dogs. They're my favorite animal. Do I want to be specific? I love the dogs from that TV show. Streets, towns, cities, countries, and specific mountains. I live in New York City on Fulham Road. The New York City? The Fulham Road? No, I want to climb Mount Everest one day, not the Mount Everest. Whew, fantastic. You've done an excellent job. There are a lot of rules to remember. So what I want you to do is write me an example sentence using a and the and no article. Can you do it? Don't forget to subscribe to me so you never miss another video, and I'll see you very soon.